Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I braid my hair. Yes, I've had this attachment for some time now. Yes, I prepared it for a while now, and this is where I was dragging the attachment and preparing it to use, but I did not use it then, so I'm going to use it now. Yes, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Princess Minate. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Japan. I film vlogs, I do hair videos, and a little bit of chit chat. So one of my goals for this year is to make sure that my hair is detangled and stays detangled. So all this I'm doing is just to make sure that my hair stays detangled. Yeah. So I'm learning how to do jumbo box braid for the first time. I can do it, but not on myself. Yeah, so this is the first time I'm doing it for myself. Like you can see, I'm even struggling to attach it to the scalp. Yeah, it was such a struggle. So even fixing the attachment properly to my scalp was a problem. Yes, I struggled with it, but then we finally did it. So as time goes on, yeah, I just had to change pattern because it wasn't looking fine the way I expected. Yes, so I had to start using rubber band, hold it down, drag it, then gel it down. Yes, so you're going to be seeing that procedure. This is how I did it, and later on I just continue. So what I noticed is the bigger portion, like if I cut it bigger, it doesn't really look fine, but if I cut it smaller, then use a bigger proportion of attachments, yes, it looks better. So I've learned my mistakes from this one, and I hope the next one will look better. Yes. So let me let you watch and see how I make my first jumbo box braid by myself. Please don't laugh at me. I'm still learning. Yes. Hope to get perfect soon. Thank you so much. So please kindly subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, share, comment. Yes, you can ask me a question or anything. Yes, I just want to hear from you. Thank you so much. I'll definitely reply. Yeah, and please do share my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, so keep on watching. I'm taking this hair down tomorrow. Tomorrow will not pass it by. Well, how will you rate me? I feel this side is finer. This sides are small. How will you rate my first time braiding my hair? So I'm done. If you did enjoy this video, do give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.